Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back.
Order submit.
Today
Order filled.
is Tuesday, July 7th, 2026. Uh, Pretty
Order
quiet
filled.
trading day, nothing too
Order
spectacular.
filled.
Made 655 on
Order
the
filled.
day. And I'm trading my 25K account. Kind of left it alone for a
Order
while.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And essentially all I'm doing here, as you can see, is just scalping. Market has some downward selling pressure.
Order filled.
Charts are a little overextended. I'm not
Order
particularly
filled.
too fond of this trading session, right? I'm not going to sit there and lie and say that I did spectacularly, right? There were moments where I did whoops. I did a lot of
Order filled.
oopsies, um,
Order filled.
double and triple dipping. Today wasn't a great day,
Order
a
submitted.
trading day for me as well, collectively.
Order submitted.
It should have been a little easier, but it
Order submitted.
wasn't. But that's all right. That's why I record these videos. That's why I journal my trades. That's why I pay
Order
attention to
filled.
the data, right? So that way, if I start to notice slight changes or shifts in my style, I can make up for it or change those behaviors, right? Because at the end of the day, we need to treat this like a business. We want the behaviors that we have, the things that we're doing, to positively reflect and to positively impact our business, right? Our overall business model. For me, my business model for trading is to ensure that the trades I'm
Order
taking
filled.
are in line with the type of strategy that I have, right? Scalps, short momentum trades, using hard stops to protect myself from having unrealized
Order
profits
filled.
disappear, right? Because if you notice with the way I trade, um, I go long and short very easily, right? There's no like, oh, the market's going down, I'm stuck, I'm stuck short, I'm
Order filled.
hardcore short. If I see a pop up like right now on this chart,
Order filled.
that presents an opportunity for me to take advantage of a trade, then I will, right? Ultimately, it's up to me to decide
Order submitted.
what is right and what is wrong.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled.
And so I really, really, really like this trade. That's why you see I scaled all the way up to 20. I wanted to pop. Let's see if we get this nice pop here. And we do. Now I did mess up, and I'll tell you why I messed up. Normally, instead of putting
Order
it at
filled.
the bottom of the body of the beginning of the candle, I
Order
do it
filled.
at the bottom wick of the candle, right, as my stop. Didn't do that on this particular one.
Order submitted. Order
And
submitted.
as you can see
Order
right
filled.
there, like I mentioned, it wasn't exactly a proud day for me for
Order filled.
trading. I chased on that after that little move right there, which I shouldn't have done,
Order submitted.
especially on a micro move like that when the market is kind of ranging between a level.
Order
Like
filled.
right now, the market it's at low, it's near
Order
low
cancelled.
days. It wants to break down,
Order
hasn't
submitted.
quite done it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And so on days like this, I'll be honest, what's best for me is to make sure
Order
that
filled. Order
I'm not
filled.
trading with too much expectation. What do I mean by that? The candles, the bodies of the candles are about
Order submitted.
10 to 15 points, right? But when you have a choppy market like this, right, where the candles are big and there's a lot of indecision, either you sit out and do the right thing, or
Order filled.
you wait until the market favors in one way and you go from there. And so I want to point out right here, I'm getting chopped up as y'all see, right? Like horrifically. I think I was up already over
Order filled.
$500 by this point, and a combination of greed
Order
and just
submitted.
my lack of attention to detail is what forced me to just make bad decisions, right?
Order
On
filled.
good solid trades. Um,
Order filled.
yeah,
Order filled.
I mean I can't complain. Collectively, I was green overall for the day. You see right there, I grabbed 16.
Order submitted.
I forgot that the quantity said 16. It's just a bad trade collectively. Um, Should have gotten out when it got really close to the break even, right? Because this wasn't the
Order
original
filled.
plan. I was lucky the market kind of bailed me out there. Pay attention to what you're doing, folks. Not belittling anyone. I've been trading for a very,
Order
very
filled.
long time and I still make these kind of silly mistakes, right? Or sometimes I get too excited and I chase, or other
Order
times
filled.
I wait too long to add,
Order submitted.
or I stay in a winner for too
Order
long
filled.
instead of getting out. The point is just make sure that you're firing on all
Order filled.
cylinders and that you have all safety measures in place prior
Order
to your
submitted.
trading session and during your
Order
trading
submitted.
session, right? So if you start to kind of spiral out of control, or if you start to notice that
Order filled.
you're not quite on your game, you have protection so that you don't, shoot yourself in the foot, right? Because who wants to do that? You're up a couple
Order
hundred
filled.
dollars, a couple $1,000, and then all of a sudden you happen, right? Um, and that just creates a bigger issue down the line, right? You want to be consistent. You want to have that nice mental state of mind, that nice even keel, even level playing field, right? So that way you can make optimal decisions. Uh, I'm done running my mouth. I don't like talking. I'm
Order
not
filled.
much of a talker. I hope you enjoyed the video and the trading session. I hope to do better tomorrow. Thanks
Order
for
submitted.
watching. See you next time.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.